Hey guys, Crystal Thompson here. Today we are working with the newest stamp set, A Perfect Couple. This was released in January. We're doing some soft coloring, just perfect for any occasion. Valentine's is coming up, so let's get started with this tutorial. For this project, you are going to need the Perfect Couple. We're going to be using the Balloon Guys on a Date. Then we're going to be using the Stitched Rectangles too. We're going to be using the two largest for the background and our white. We're going to be using the matching coordinating dies, using white watercolor paper, pink paper, and some glitter nouveaux, along with some silver embossing powder and embossing ink, and of course, two watercolors. Let's get started with the tutorial. We're going to begin by stamping our sentiment, and we're going to be using To the Perfect Couple. I wanted to make something that you can use either for Valentine's Day or for a gift or anniversaries. It doesn't matter. We're going to heat emboss that in silver. Next, we are going to do a step-by-step coloring so we get those watercolors edges. We're going to add one wash of the blue. We're going to dry with a heat embossing gun, come into the center, and dry. And we're going to repeat this process so you get those beautiful watercolor edges. Don't be afraid to layer on the color on top and making little bubbles. I really wanted it to look like clouds, but without having to actually blend or watercolor clouds. I suggest you lift it off your mat so you don't burn your mat. And if you have too much water, feel free to dab off with a paper towel. I'm going to clean off our brush and we're going to repeat the process with the green. I'm going to do a very light wash of green. We're going to dry that with our heat embossing gun and then keep layering on. Feel free to make your color darker. I'm using some liquid watercolors so I can really control the colors. Once that is dry, we're going to run our paper through our die cutting machine using the two largest rectangles from the Stitched Rectangles 2. Place that with some strong adhesive. Then we're going to color, stamp, and die cut the couple in the balloons. We're going to place it with foam adhesive right on the center. And for a little bit of embellishment, adding just a little bit of glitter silver nouveau drops. Wanted to keep this clean, simple, and very soft. Thank you so much for joining me today. Please feel free to click subscribe and see more other videos we have here on the Pink and Main YouTube channel. Thanks so much. Have a great day.